If you're looking for extra batteries for your Panasonic Lumix S5, S5M2, S5M2X, GH6, and others, then you'll want to check these out. This is the Wasabi Power Battery Dual Pack with charger. Let's pull it out of the box. Here's your batteries and the dual charger. It's USB-C, and the cable is included. I'll plug in the cable. And then you could use the power adapter that came with your camera, or get one like this, which can also be used to directly power the S5. So I'll have a link for this one in the description below. You can also, of course, use a different USB-C cable, like the one that came with your camera. These have a 3-year warranty, which is pretty crazy considering the price. So of course, they are the same size as the Lumix S5 battery, which is the DMW-BLK22. And that battery is used with many other newer Panasonic cameras, like the S5M2 and the GH6. The Wasabi Power batteries have slightly higher milliamp hours at 2250 versus 2200 for the Panasonic branded battery. But everything else is the same. I can pop the battery in. As you can see, no issues getting it in or out. The charger works just the way you think it does. Pop a battery in, the light turns red, letting you know that it's charging. Of course, it will turn green once it's fully charged. You can also charge your Panasonic battery in this charger. It's so great to be able to have 2 batteries on charge and 1 battery in the camera. That way you're never worried about running out of power in the middle of a shoot. So, in my opinion, you should do yourself a favor and always have at least 3 batteries on hand. And the Wasabi Power batteries, they work just as well as the Panasonic branded batteries at about a quarter of the price. So, if you want to pick some up for yourself, I'll be sure to have links in the description below.